Alright, so I don't think the Lord wants us to haul another partial with this one. Booked one there. I was supposed to drop off in North Carolina on the way down. It's supposed to be a $900 partial to go with it. And they were going to receive ours, was good and everything, and I just called ahead. And this is why I try to be proactive as much as I can. Call ahead, talk to the POC, or talk to somebody on site or at the shipping facility. They were shutting down due to winds, safety issue. I was only getting 2 small pieces. They were, I think, 3,000 altogether. I think one was 2,300 pound crate and the other one was a 700 pound crate. And I said, I don't have a big piece or anything to get loaded with. So it's just 2 little tiny crates, and they're like, no, due to safety reasons, we're going to shut down because of the winds. And I mean, I guess it's all up and down the East Coast right now. Pretty good winds. I didn't look the weather to see what they were. Goofball back there. So, because I loaded that Mini X and set up to get a partial on the front, we got to do a little bit of maneuvering because it's beating the living tar out of me. I can't go down the road like that. So we got to look at it. I don't know. I think I'm probably gonna have to unchain everything and then go pull it up a little bit and then swing the boom around. So have fun with that. I can never get in anything without Lane having to be involved.
Dad, how do this thing working? I'm uptight. You're uptight? Okay, this is awesome.
Take a little quick, little jerky.
Can I turn around? Do I just cling onto there and do?
What was it? Now we got to raise the blade.
Yeah, can I turn around?
That should be just fine. We'll drop this blade here. And then
we'll turn this back around.
You're going to run out there and grab that block of wood. You're not getting back up in? Okay. He's such a good little helper. He honestly is. He's worse than, or better than having a teenager with you sometimes. He actually has a work ethic. What a goober. Love him though. Might have to move it. Nope. This thing, I ain't never seen one like that quite. But honestly, it's the smallest one I've ever been in. And it took me a second to figure out why in the world. Why you want me up? Oh, it's good? Alright, got that, Take my seatbelt off like a safe operator that I am. We're out of this thing. All right, we got the Mini X maneuvered a little bit. Had to actually move it twice, just the way the binders and chains were lined up. I didn't like the way it was lining up like that, and I think it's going to ride a whole lot better because it had way too much tail weight. I'm a fan of axle weight. Some guys are big on tongue weight. Don't get me wrong, I want some tongue weight, but with my truck, my trailer's set up, and even with my first trailer, it just rode a little bit better. It has ridden better with a little bit more axle weight than tongue weight. Obviously in the winter, snow and stuff, I try to maybe put a little hair more towards the tongue, but all right, time to hit the road.